All right, we have covered vulnerabilities, penetration testing, and have introduced the attack vectors. Now, how we can go about vulnerability management. How do we manage the whole thing? Vulnerability management is discovery of vulnerabilities and assessment of the risk to the network. It's a critical part of the business landscape for long-term success. I think many of you already know that mere patch management is ineffective and inefficient. We need more.
That's right. Vulnerability management involves the identification, classification, and potentially remediating and or mitigating of the same. Tools used for identifying and classifying known vulnerabilities are vulnerabilities scanners.
Scanners, right. And there are 6 steps of vulnerability management. There's discover and inventory assets, categorize and prioritize your assets. You need to scan for vulnerabilities. Then you report, classify, and rank your risks. Remediate, apply your patches, fixes, workarounds. And then 6, verify, rescan to confirm fixes and verify your security.